Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining us here in the charts. You're tuned into the Market Beast edition. Your fellow compadre will be joining you here once again. We're going to take a look at Sndl. Okay, this is our daily price prediction. If you're just joining us, welcome. It's really simple what we do here. We identify support, resistance, and support. We verify higher highs and higher lows to confirm an uptrend, lower lows, lower highs to verify a downtrend. It's so simple, okay? If that piques your interest, we just ask that you subscribe, hit the notification bell, so this way you'll have an alert as where we see the markets going before it makes a move. Leave an appropriate thumb below the video, and of course, engage in the comment section, guys. The YouTube algorithm, it really helps the channel. So let's not waste any time. Let's dive into this Sndl daily price prediction chart here, shall we? All right, so today's December the 1st, 2020. And the current price of Sndl is going to be 0.80 cents. Well, 79 cents there, fluctuating up about 8.3% for the day. Okay. All right, guys. So let's see here. Same lines on the chart. I mean, these lines are old. I mean, they're pretty old here, guys. And we haven't just put the lines on the chart here. And the lines, if you're just joining us, is going to be at 58 cents here, the green line, and about 85 cents here at this red line. And on the previous video, we were just saying that the obligation for the buyers is to get the price above 85 cents and stay above 85 cents and use that as support to start a trend shift to an uptrend. Okay, the price is still currently within a downtrend, but if we take it from the price levels from here starting about October the 30th, it is definitely in a small term uptrend here starting at about October the 30th. I will say that, okay? But to turn this trend around, let's just go ahead and illustrate that with the squiggly lines here, up to about 56 cents, rejected down to about 25 cents, 23 cents, kind of a double bottoming pattern there, then boom to the upside, all the way up to 85 cents. So currently it has made a low, it has made a high, it has made a higher low, and right now we're up against a higher high from the previous high. So it wouldn't be out of the ordinary, for me at least, if the price were to come down to the previous resistance level right here at about 58 cents. Okay, that's the previous level of resistance. If that level holds, then the buying interest in the market would have a unique opportunity to take the price and capture that 56 cents there and potentially make a new high, okay, above 85 cents. And basically, that's something that we need to pay attention to, guys. Again, I've said it already. This could take 3 to 9 days in the markets here. And we'll just have to be patient and wait and see how that plays out. So let's actually do a really quick example of how much time it took for the price to consolidate and move higher. And we're going to use this small area here as an example. Just speculation, guys, not guaranteed to play out. And of course, this isn't financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. So from the top out candle here at, let's see, November the 9th, we're going to take this candle right here. And we're going to measure the time that it took. Let's just put a rectangular box so we can put everything in perspective here. Let's erase that line here. Stick with me here, guys. Nothing's rehearsed. Everything is kind of right off the top of my head here. So hit the like button if you enjoy the content so far. We're going to put a box right here. All right. And we're going to measure how much time it took for the price to top out here at about 56 cents and November the 9th, top out, and then, you know, make a nice methodic slow move to the downside to bottom, and then find a nice little double bottom. And then we're just going to measure these. We're not going to measure the breakout candle. Let's just measure the bottoming sort of cuppage formation and see how much time that took. So we're going to start here at November the 9th and take it on over to November the 27th. So it took about 18 days. So let's say that it could potentially take the same amount of days, and it actually exceeds the 3 to 9 days. I'm always conservative with my price targets and the time frame that it takes for a particular symbol to do something. Okay, I said 3 to 9 days. It could take longer. It could take, you know, less than that time. I don't know, guys. Let's let the price action dictate what's going to happen next. Okay, the charts don't lie. Okay, so what did I say? I'm rambling here. 18 days. We're going to go ahead and take this box here. We can clone that if we can. Take it on over here. Well, we're measuring the top out candle. Well, this is kind of touchy because I'm assuming this is the top out candle, guys. I'm not saying that this is guaranteed to be the top out candle. Although if you ask me personally, yes, I do think this is the short-term top out candle. Do I think the 56 level is going to hold as support? Well, it was a previous level of resistance, so I wouldn't see why that wouldn't be a bad idea to focus in on that area as a potential area of support. It's not guaranteed. I do still, honestly, believe it or not, there's so much optimism in the markets, guys. It really makes me nervous. Okay, that's not how markets turn around, and typically how markets turn around. But again, the overwhelming evidence in the charts as far as the weekly RSI, it's screaming that the cannabis sector has bottomed. Okay, I feel like I'm rambling here. Let's stick to what we were just saying here, guys. 18 days. Let's assume that the previous top out and then the bottoming pattern is going to take place again, assuming that this recent candle here at December the 1st is the topping out candle. Let's just measure it on over to about 18 days. And let's something like this. 18 days. Well, I've already put the box. I cloned the box, dude. Okay. So that's going to leave it at about December the 18th-ish or December the 21st-ish. We could expect to see a similar pattern, top out, nice methodic bottoming out, and then a breakup. Okay. So let's just say that it could take place somewhere around December the 21st. As we top out, we get this nice methodic bottoming out pattern, and then boom, to the upside. Above 85 cents, guys. That's the level for me. 85 cents has to get above that level. And is it still confirmed to make a higher low at that point? Well, if I'm looking at the small, I actually didn't pay attention to these candles here, but I guess you can say arguably it would be a higher high if you focus on this candle here, but it's not a higher high, guys. It's actually a lower high than this previous high. So you actually have to take the most extreme highest point in the chart before the move to the downside. Okay, you have to verify where that is, and it's according to how I understand this. Okay, I could be wrong. Okay, correct me down in the comment section if you guys know any better. I mean, it's still a learning curve for me, but as far as what I can see on the chart, that's going to be identified at this candle right here on this daily candle on May the 22nd, 2020, and it's a high of about $1.28. That to me is the highest point in the chart that it needs to get above, at least test and potentially get a rejection to verify the previous level of resistance as support. And at that point, it would be a perfect storm to have this Sndl symbol to make a extremely highs and shift this downtrend, arguably in a sideways consolidation, to an uptrend. Okay, guys, it looks like we're getting some blood. Wow, look at that. 0.69 cents already. Okay. And the reason that I'm coming in here and during the market hours because, when I get a lot of messages saying that, yeah, it's going to the moon, it's going to $1, it's going to 85 cents, it's going to take 3 hours. I'm just simply looking at the charts with my popcorn and just like, well, I'll just be paying attention to the previous resistance level. That's fine. You guys can, do that. And I'm not saying it to be cocky, guys. I'm saying that it's important to take a step back, open the charts, find out where was the previous level of resistance. Where was the previous level of support, guys? It's not complicated. The only thing you have to turn off the news, guys. I mean, I hate talking like this, guys. I hate using my emotions during the market hours. Okay, it's the market hours. Let me just kind of take it a step back here, guys. The first thing you need to do is, take the news with a grain of salt. Okay, the fundamentals, the mergers. I mean, that's fine, guys. There's nothing wrong with looking at that stuff, but it's also important to take a step back and truly understand where was the previous level of resistance, where was the previous level of support, guys. And I think at that point, if you truly just beat your brain up with this stuff, at some point there's going to be an aha moment or a light bulb that says, wait a minute, this has nothing to do with the news. It's not that complicated. Find the resistance level, find the support level, and we could potentially bounce here at 56 cents. I mean, that's the range that I'm going to say that the price has the potential to be within here from the next 3 to 9 days, conservative with the time there. And it could even get lowered, guys. I'm not saying that it's guaranteed to hold this 56 cent level. I'm looking at the 56 cent level because it's a practical place to pay attention to, because that was the previous level of resistance. That's it. Okay, so that's basically what I'm seeing here, guys. And we're already solving. I felt like I started rambling there. The high that the Sndl symbol needs to make in order to turn this downtrend into an uptrend and put arguably a sideways consolidation that is currently within into a true uptrend would be to break above the $1.28 level and potentially get rejected from that level and just solidify the previous resistance level as support. So that would look something like, let's just say it blasts off again for those who are still bullish in the market. It blasts off up to like, I don't know, $1.40. It gets rejected. It forms some sort of bullish formation falling wedge. It potentially goes all the way back down to 85 cents, bounce there. And this would be the official sign that the trend is starting to shift from a downtrend that is currently arguably within a downtrend. Sndl is in a downtrend. Okay. And at that point, it would have the opportunity to be in an uptrend. Okay. It would be a verified uptrend at that point. Okay. But that's what I need to see in order to verify this, guys. So that's how I'm looking at the markets. Very simple approach, very practical. No news, no mergers, guys. You can leave that information in the comment section, but while you guys are talking about that, I'll keep my eyes on the chart, and we'll do this together. We'll figure it out together, guys, in conjunction with the fundamentals. There's nothing wrong with fundamentals. I know I sound really like harsh against fundamentals, but I'm just not interested in it, guys. I don't know how to understand that stuff. That's just me. My brain doesn't allow me to understand it. So that's what I'm seeing here, guys. We will potentially be within the 85 cent level up to the 56 cent level. If the buyers still have an interest within the market or have, enough buying interest in the market, they'll probably keep the price within here. But if this is an immature move in the markets, we're probably going to get a break below that 56 cent level and potentially reach that 25 cent level again. That's a potential play out, guys, not guaranteed. Again, I'm not saying that's going to happen. Just be open to the fact that this is a volatile asset and it can go anywhere. Take that however you like. So that's basically what I'm seeing here, guys. Let's let this play out. Next 3 to 9 days, I'm going to keep my eyes on this. And that's pretty much all I got for you guys for now. Hey, leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment down below, guys. We need your help. Where is the Sndl price going to go? It's going to go up from here. It's going to continue going down. Has the cannabis sector bottom? Let me know, how much have you invested in this stock? Are you holding? Are you selling? Let us know. Get a comment discussion going down in the comment section, guys. It's Napolean Macro. I'm going to go ahead and sign off. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to take care of yourselves. That's the most important thing. We're going to talk very soon, guys. I really appreciate your time. And yeah, bye for now, and have a good day.